Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about how to make Twitter account private. Maybe you want to control who can see and interact with your tweets, or limit the number of unwanted messages, mentions, or comments, and avoid unwanted attention or harassment. So today I'm going to show you how to make Twitter account private. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Twitter application. What you need to do here is simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, a panel will appear at the left side. And here, tap on this drop down button beside Settings and Support. In the menu that appeared, tap on this Settings and Privacy option. In this Settings page, look for Privacy and Safety and simply tap on it. Here, tap on this Audience and Tagging tab. In this section, since you want to make your account private, toggle on this switch next to this Protect Your Tweets option. After that, your Twitter account will now be private and only people who you approve as followers will be able to see your tweets. It is important to note that making your account private will not affect your ability to see other people's public tweets or interact with them. You can still follow and see tweets from public accounts, and you can also send and receive direct messages with anyone regardless of their privacy settings. There you go. If you wanted to know how to make Twitter account private, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make Twitter account private, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.